Roaring Kitty, the face of the GameStop movement, who started his account with $60,000, raising it to as much as $48 million at its peak, has just been noticed officially by the executive board of GameStop for a potential role in the company. The board has decided that the investor confidence and increased recognition that GameStop has gained, largely in part to Roaring Kitty, paired with his keen investment sense, has made him an excellent candidate to become the new chief financial officer of the company. The company is willing to pay him $50 million a year so that he may relive his historic gain every year. Alright, happy April Fools everybody, and now with the real news. Roaring Kitty has posted a new update summarizing the last week of March and how his account has been affected. His last post before today showed that he had $29 million in GameStop on March 24th. Today, his position has risen from $29 million up to $39,800,000. He currently has $19 million worth of GameStop stock, $9 million in options contracts, and $12 million in cash. This post also shows he is down roughly $600,000 on the day he posted this, April 31st. You'll notice that his $512 call options will be expiring on April 16th of this year. This is just 2 weeks from today, roughly. At this point, Roaring Kitty must exercise his contracts or sell them. I fully anticipate that he will likely exercise his contracts within the next 2 weeks using his $12 million in cash to purchase the 50,000 shares that these contracts represent at $12 each. Whether he will sell any of these shares after he is exercised is yet to be seen, because after exercising, he'll have 150,000 shares. I imagine that if he sells a substantial portion, it may cause a sell-off of GameStop due to his influence over investor confidence, but if his selling is minimal, I doubt much will change. Regardless, I do see that GameStop will be highly volatile in the next coming weeks. Given Roaring Kitty's history, however, I expect that he likely won't sell more than 30% of his 150,000 shares that he'll have after exercising, because he sold large portions of his portfolio before, largely during the February spike, where he sold roughly 75% of his total options contracts. This is where the $12 million in cash you see today comes from. Also, after April 16th, I imagine that Roaring Kitty will likely post substantially less and let things cool down a little bit. This is all pure speculation though on what he might do, just going off of how he's behaved in the past. Roaring Kitty has cemented himself as part of financial history and overall is a really intelligent and partially lucky guy. And for those of you who have watched his YouTube channel will know he likely deserves all that he's gotten. Happy April Fools, guys, and I hope you see you in the next one.